Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Chevy Impala. Stock number is A7880. Starting right away up front, you have a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Firestone tires. Inside, a combination of leather and cloth interior makes for a very comfortable ride. Up top, you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look in the trunk, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Impala on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.